Even American AI models are spreading Chinese propaganda, report warns. Yeah. So what the hell is this about? A report by the American Security Project has surprisingly found that many AI models, not just Chinese ones, parrot Chinese Communist Party messaging. 5 popular LLMs were tested, with only one being Chinese, but all showing CCP-aligned bias. So here's what they did. The study here was that they used VPNs from LA, New York City, and Washington, D.C. They started a new chat each and every time they ran this test. So they wanted to have short, open-ended questions. That way that they weren't leading the LLM, kind of like I led the LLM with the Egyptian god thing, right? So they were trying their best to not point the LLM to a particular end game. So DeepSeek and Copilot showed that the models absorbed a lot of information that come directly from the CC. So there's some terms here that I can't even talk about, right? And I kind of have to skip over it very, very quickly because I don't even know if I can show it on screen without getting a warning. So I'm gonna go off screen, and you're gonna have to take my word for it. All right. So essentially, when they ask about the incident with, let's say the incident in that particular year with the protests, right? The amount of responses that were positively CCP as a result of like surrounding that particular incident. Well, DeepSeek and Gemini and DeepSeek and Copilot were kind of like downplaying it. Let's put it that way. Again, I can't use all the words. They were downplaying it. It's almost like it was in defense of the CCP, right? Like, it wasn't that big of a deal, whatever it is, right? So I think what the article is trying to point to, which I think is fundamentally something we can all agree on, the training data that's involved in these LLMs comes from human knowledge, stuff that's been written by humans that we've recorded, historical stuff, right? So it obviously makes sense that there's going to be some kind of nation state propaganda that bleeds into it. And why should China be exempt from that? Of course. So it's not a surprising thing for me to see that.